Hi, I'm Todd Miner with Arfit Dog Rehab and Fitness, and this is episode 2 of Dog Exercises. In this video, we're going to talk about the around the world exercise, which is great for weight shifting. All right, so let's get to it. All right, we're back. So we're going to talk about another exercise called Around the World, and it's meant to be basically what it is. We're going to go around the body of the dog, and it's a weight shifting exercise. So this helps with what's called proprioception or awareness in space. It also allows them to start weight bearing on limbs that maybe they're not. So many dogs tend to favor a limb because of an injury, because of older age, that type of thing. And so this is really a good way to balance your dog out. All right, so easiest way to do it is on a non-slip surface. Do it in a standing position. We're going to be picking up limbs almost like you're wiping their feet and getting them to balance and be stable. Something else I mentioned in episode 1, and we talked about guidelines for exercise in episode 1, so I recommend that you watch that first before this episode. Another thing we talked about is harnesses, okay? Always to wear a harness when you're doing the exercise. This helps you guide and hold the dog without pulling on their neck or pulling on their body or any tender parts of their body. So it's great for guidance, all right? So with the around the world exercise, usually there aren't treats necessary, but if there is, you can use treats. I don't think we're gonna need to with Earl, but Earl's gonna basically stand. Your dog is just gonna stand, and you're gonna pick up one leg at a time. Initially, our goal is to count to 5. So we're gonna count to 5, picking up one leg at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, see how he's trying to lean on me? 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna go around the body 3 times. Now what you're gonna look for is your dog heavy in that hand? Are they light in that hand? It's gonna start teaching you where your dog is favoring. So the heavier limb is gonna be the limb that they're putting more weight on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, Earl. So 3 times around the world is a good way to do the exercise initially. You're going to work up maybe to 10 times as your dog gets stronger. And again, this is an exercise that we talked about in episode 1. 1 day of exercise, 1 day of rest, usually doing about 2 to 3 times a week is the amount of frequency. Your dog needs recovery time in between exercises. The purpose of, the around the world exercise is to get them to start using each limb for weight bearing. Many dogs tend to favor because of an injury. So by picking this up, you're teaching them awareness in space and getting them to learn to weight shift on each leg again. All right, so it's a very simple, straightforward exercise, but it's very helpful for your dog. And that's it.